ओके, सो हम फ्रेश हो चुके हैं एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं टू एक्सप्लोर फोर्ट कोची, है ना अविनाश?
यस, फोर्ट कोची।
क्या क्या है? ऑन फुट, यस।
देखते क्या क्या है, मेरे को खुद को नहीं मालूम। वी हैव अ मैप, वी विल फॉलो दैट।
यस, शो मी द मैप। व्हाट ऑल वी हैव टू सी? इतना अच्छा सन का लाइट आ रहा है। Okay, let me show you the cafe over here. It is cafe near Hotel Niyati. I have a picture on this Vespa. It's so cool. See? Nice. This is so beautiful. Nice cafe. That is so cute. Look at this. Beautiful. And this is the cafe. Fish tank. Hey fishies! Woohoo! Wow! Cool cafe. So, pizza place hai. So we are having pizza, and yes, we'll explore the place in some time and keep you updated. Till then, you enjoy the pizza. Bye bye. ये फर्स्ट स्टॉप था to see the Chinese fishing net. कुछ तो इसका होगा।
हाँ, ये ऊपर नीचे करते हैं उसको, उसका कोई टेक्निक होता है ऊपर नीचे करने का।
फेमस है और इसीलिए यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है। ये दिखाने आए। It is one of the sightseeing points here in Fort Kochi. Must be something. थोड़ा closer look ले इसका। These Chinese fishing nets, or mostly called as Chinawala in Malayalam, are iconic symbol of Kochi's rich maritime heritage. These large fishing nets were introduced by Chinese traders in the 14th century and have since become the major attraction for tourists. The nets are operated using a complex system of ropes, pulleys and weights, allowing fishermen to catch fish in the shallow waters of the Arabian Sea. Though they are no longer the primary method of fishing, these nets remain a beautiful reminder of Kochi's historical connections with China and its vibrant coastal culture. चलो नेक्स्ट स्टॉप कोई और पॉइंट, आगे बढ़ते हैं, बढ़ना पड़ेगा। दिस इज सेंट फ्रांसिस चर्च। Let's have a look inside. Wow. Wow, so peaceful. लिखा है वास्को डी गामा's tomb. Remembering Vasco da Gama, Portuguese navigator. He arrived in Cochin in 1502, where he died and was first buried in 1524. Later, its remains were transferred to Lisbon, and they lie since then in monastery of Jeronimos. Oh. Okay, this is where he died, in Cochin. History पता चल रही है. Okay. This is the Dutch cemetery. सब tombs के अंदर. Oh wow. Birds chirping. ये मैना है?
हाँ ये मैंने
कितना ब्यूटीफुल क्रिसमस ट्री है ना?
हाँ
वाओ. Beautiful. This is a Saint Basilica Church. Wow. चले अंदर. टाइम है. It's not closed yet. 5 o'clock it closes. 5 o'clock यहाँ सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है. तो थोड़ा fast.
not allowed.
Let's see.
दिखा
Beautiful.
हाल से देख लेते हैं ना.
एक बार चल तो. Look at this church. Okay. This is the धोबी खाना. मतलब धोबी घाट जो अपने बॉम्बे में भी है. आई थिंक यहाँ पे कैसे कपड़े धोते आयरन करते वो देखेंगे. देखते पर धोबी घाट. हेलो. There you wash the clothes
Yeah,
and then you'll iron it over here.
morning 6 to 12 o'clock washing.
Okay.
And dry, and after ironing and delivery.
To the laundry.
Laundry.
Okay.
All the people separate.
Okay, you all do separate
More
also.
than 60 family work in big laundry.
Okay.
All the people our boss, not a labor, not a duty paid, independent job.
Okay.
Per
So
pays 40 rupees.
so people come directly over here.
Directly, some people give, some people give to collect.
Give laundry.
Homestay, hotel, house people, and the
Oh,
tourism
okay.
people, etc.
Nice. Painstaking job. Painstaking job.
Yeah.
Nice. वो देखो laundry के सब towels and everything.
Bedsheet, towel, pillow cover, and blanket, etc.
Everything.
And
Here he's
politician
ironing.
people, staff.
हाँ. Starch clothes. Yeah, I saw starch clothes. This is starch. Oh.
Yes, dhoti and the shirt. Our politicians uniform.
Yes.
First time washing and put the starch and dry and ironing little bit. Sunrise, okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Full starched.
Full starch. This is very old,
हाँ.
more than 5 years old.
More than 5 years old.
Put the starch new.
New, correct. Thank you. Okay. This is the Dutch palace, but it's closed. What a shame. ऐसे ही मैं बोल रही थी जब हम लोग ने मैंगलोर में जो टेम्पल देखा था, ऐसे ही हट्स स्टाइल के and inside the idols were there. Okay, next destination is spice market. And जो smell आ रही है यहाँ पे spices की, I can't tell you. See this. You all can only see. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है spices की. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
You work here?
Yeah.
Okay. Women Cooperative Society. Spice market. क्या मस्त एंट्रेंस है, एकदम एंटीक. हाँ,
बहुत पुराना बिल्डिंग
अरे बाप रे, ये भी टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है पूरा. होम मेड करे. Oh, I think this is the entrance. Oh, nice.
अच्छा.
This is all their spices. Black pepper.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
No?
Little. Nice. Coconut powder, chutney powder. They have even recipes written on it. Nice. अगर घर जा रही होती तो डेफिनेटली यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ लेके जाती. But now since we are traveling, I can't carry much stuff with us. The spices are really good. Wow. Oils.
Hair oil.
Hair oil. Oh. Spices.
ये स्कैन करूँ या
This is herbal drink.
Herbal drink.
What is there in it?
Spaghetti.
Oh wow.
डन ना? पेमेंट डन.
Good for immunity, stomach digestion. We have to put only in hot water.
Hot water.
How much is this?
350. 1 spoon for 7
Body cooling. Okay. 1 spoon for
7 cup.
7 cup. Put in water again. Boiling up. I have sugar. Okay, there is no sugar in this.
No, inside. This is black jaggery.
Black jaggery.
Jaggery or honey add.
So it is already there in
No,
this.
inside, making time. It's only powder.
Okay.
Yeah, making time, you are add.
अच्छा है ना ये सुबह में पी के निकलने का.
Very nice. देखो herbal drink. चलो.
How much for
Let's
this?
skip tea and have this.
350.
Okay.
350.
Good.
280 I paid.
Thank you. You all make this?
Yeah. Women cooperative society.
Okay, so everything you all make?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you.
The spice smell is also very good spice smell.
No, it's okay.
That's okay, madam. We'll take
Give me
it.
in pack.
Cover. The bag. No cover.
No. We'll keep it back.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, curry masala nahi?
No, we are not
Chicken
going
masala,
home.
fish masala,
Not going
sambar
home.
masala.
Traveling.
Here on bike.
Yeah.
Mumbai to here bike. So we don't have.
I know.
We are not going home, so I can't cook. If I go home, then I can take. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
All the best.
Thank you.
This is an antique shop. Wow. Wow. Jai Gajanana. I think this is made of full wood. Yes. Carved on one piece wood. Krishna. It's a smiling Krishna. Look at this elephant, hello. Oh wow. Way towards the Jewish temple. Perfume. अरे ये तो मेरी वाली खुशबू आ रही है. हाँ. Colorful streets. Again, one more antique shop.
My shop.
Later. Thank you. Wow. So many antique shops over here. सीरियसली बाबा, अगर घर जा रहे होते मैं क्या क्या लेती?
क्या लेती? इतना कुछ पसंद आ गया?
बहुत कुछ पसंद आया जी. लाइक जूइश स्पेशल आइटम्स.
पहले टेंपल जाके आए.
हाँ.
पता नहीं पर ये लोग बंद नहीं.
यस. आई थिंक ये जूइश लिखा हुआ है कुछ. पता है, लोग एक कैप भी पहनते छोटी सी. ये देखिए एक बार. अच्छा चल टेंपल पहले देख के आते. दिस इज द वे टू द जूइश टेंपल.
Shalom.
Shalom. I feel like buying so much, baby. Yet another antique shop. The perfume is so good. Oh wow. Silver. Oh. This is the Jewish temple. First time seeing a Jewish temple. Wow.
Entrance fee.
कितना beautiful है.
बंद हो गया.
Where my friend from Punjab is telling me, "Right, I go for it. Come on, I'm going to see it. I saw it."
I think a Jewish good symbol है ना? Okay, what is this called?
Menorah.
Menorah.
Yeah,
Okay, and this is what symbol? Jewish?
the Jewish like I just forgot. I just
No problem.
Star of David. Star of David.
Star of David.
Yeah, Star of David.
Oh. Okay. I saw the symbol inside also.
Yeah.
And this is the Jewish
Yeah,
caps.
Kippa.
Kippa.
Yamkas.
Emkas.
Yamkas.
Sorry?
Yamuka.
Amuka. Nice. These are all Jewish items, na?
No, not also, but embroidery also.
Embroidery work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She used to.
She
make this.
started it.
Yeah.
She started this.
Explain the story of like.
Yeah, okay, you can explain.
Sarah Khan.
Can you speak a little louder?
Sarah Cohen was born in India, Kochi here, and that's her husband, Jacob Cohen. Actually, both are Indian Jewish, and lots of the Cohen in Jewish community. And this is her husband home. She married 1944 here,
Oh.
and the shop was started 1960. And this is King Charles, where he came to meet Sarah Cohen. Actually, she is a prominent leading in the Jewish community, and she was very famous and popular to community to grow up this community higher level. And 5 years ago, she passed away. And one more.
What age she passed away?
97 years old.
97.
And this is my father.
Oh.
Actually, there's a connection between, because my father came at age of 13 or 14 this street for selling postcard and spices.
Okay.
After that, Sarah's husband, Jacob uncle, brings him here, and Sarah Cohn does not like my father. After long years, they kind of bond, and she started like my father, and she don't have children. She adopted like a foster son of Sarah Cohn,
Oh.
and her husband died on 1999. He before told to my father, if I'm not there, you take
care.
You take care of Sarah Cohn, and he take her 20 years.
Oh.
And she also take care of my father, my family till the growth here. This is part of the history, unique bond between Jewish and we are Muslim.
Okay.
That's a specialty of the ship. And she taught everything, especially Jewish specialty, halakava, kippah, and normal embroidery works, cross stitch, shadow works to my father.
Okay.
Now he is doing for her memories and continuing the legacy.
Continuing. Your father is still alive?
Yeah, he is 55 years.
Oh.
That time he is 13 or 14. Now he's 55. 40 plus years this here
This
now.
place. And now you are running this
My
place.
father is running. I am helping my father.
Okay.
And this is her home. And this one is mezuzah. In every Jewish homes they were touching and kissing. There's a script inside.
Oh, there is a script inside.
Yeah. That's original one of Sarah Cohn.
Oh.
And
Original one.
yeah, that's original one.
Oh.
And she sits here.
Oh.
And this is also original work of Sarah Cohn.
Wow.
And the people through looking to the window, that time she making kippas and everything. And here, this is her home where she lived. Actually, she lives in upstairs with brother, and her brother died on 2006. Her brothers and my father said he must be laid down here, and the rest of the life she lives here. That's a bed and menorah. And this is one is menorah, the original one. of
Original
Sarah.
one.
Actually, every Friday we also lighting the candle for Shabbat and Sarah Cohn. And Saturday the shop was closed. And my father promised until last of his breath of his life he will take care of Sarah Cohn and everything. That promises are ongoing. And here the full of Jewish homes like convert into shops almost. But this one
Is
like,
the original one.
it's like a home of Sarah Cohn.
Sarah Cohn.
And everything is kept in like this because
She lived here.
yeah.
And she
And-
still resides here.
Yeah, and this is the original work of Sarah Cohn. And
Wow.
that's my father and my mother. She also taken my Sarah Cohn. And
Beautiful.
Where do you live?
yeah, there's a mirror.
Actually,
Yeah,
you study?
yeah, people. And this one is a missing. There is a documentary.
Actually, the best.
Which is the
This one.
document? Okay, the missing.
You can
Tail.
just search it on Google. You can see.
Achha.
Okay, you can see this on Google.
Yeah,
The missing tail
yeah.
of Sarah Cohn.
My father's one taken.
Your father has taken.
My father's friend is.
Said that.
Ah.
Oh, okay.
And this also done by her.
Okay.
Actually, she is an excellent embroidery artist also.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Shihas.
Shiraz.
Shihas.
Shihas.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in future is we want to like a museum in upstairs. It will be happens inshallah.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Good. So more people can come and visit
Yeah,
and
yeah.
look at the
In
history.
India, people know about this topic. Outside the country, people are coming to this. They are not about value this place because Indians are not like I'm just saying.
No, but yes, they don't. They only see it as a shop. They don't see the
Yeah.
history behind it.
They outside people they were curious about the relation of my
Same,
father
same.
and Sarah Cohn. That's why, because Jewish and Muslims are together, and it's not a religion. I'm saying
Yes. Yes.
it's like a humanity, like
Yes.
Correct.
Like
Correct. Correct.
like a mother and son. That's
Yes.
why this is very special,
Special.
and part of the history.
History.
Yeah.
Yes. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much for
Welcome.
sharing the information with us.
This is
This
for
is-
keeping what?
It's just
Just anything, anywhere.
it's
This is actually Sarah Cohn and the husband.
yeah. And that's a friend of Sarah Cohn.
So, still people, Jewish people live in this colony?
Only one guy.
Only one guy?
Yeah, he's the last 65 years old. Yeah.
He's the
Only
last
one left.
Jewish left.
Yeah, now he's the last one. 65.
Where he lives?
He's the street.
Achha.
He's still alive.
Yeah, 65 years old.
64.
He's telling, na? He's
Acha.
He's the last one. and she's an Indian citizen also.
Oh, she was an Indian citizen.
Yeah, she votes in 2009 also.
Oh, wow.
And
So then the Jewish community is not much more alive over here now.
here
Only
in
one.
Kochi,
Only one.
only one.
Only
And
one.
in Ernakulam, 13 or 14.
Okay.
And maybe in India,
No, must be there. Okay.
And she is a Christian. Actually, my father and mother go to home. Then she look after Sarakon and kosher foods to make to Sarakon because Jewish, Muslims and Christians are together here.
Right,
Yeah.
right, right.
And this is the first look of the shop like here. And that's her brother.
Okay, that's the brother.
And
She's wearing a lungi.
yeah,
And why is this photo? over
just
there? Nothing related.
Nothing
to
related.
and is a Jewish wedding dress, like all traditional. It's Cochin style, like this one.
Okay, this is
is-
similar to little Gotapatti.
No,
No?
like this. Like this.
Oh, this is Jewish wedding outfit.
This is for this is for the synagogue. Said they are starting a newly museum. That's why my father is doing.
Oh, okay. For the museum,
For the
they are
museum.
you all are making this.
Yeah, for
Nice. For
Sarakon's
people
memory.
to know and her memory.
Yeah.
Correct.
Actually, that whole team, she is doing a Jewish wedding then, and my father looking carefully, and
And he learned.
he learned,
Learned.
and that's why he's doing for now. That's why.
Is this gold thread?
No, it's earlier 200 years ago. Actually, it's a real gold.
Real gold. Now you all
Now it's
don't
gold,
use
it's
color.
expensive.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Correct.
It's a gold threads.
Thread work. Wow. And your father does this every day.
It takes 3 months.
Months, correct.
Now he's doing 3 months. Well,
Only this much.
yeah, it's rolling is there.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, there's a
Oh,
rolling.
okay, okay,
That's
okay,
right.
okay. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome. You guys from?
We are from Bombay, and
In Bombay also Jewish people live.
yes, yes, yes. In town side, especially. Very nice, and thank you so much for sharing all the information with us. Sorry, I forgot your name.
She has.
She has. Okay.
And that's a childhood pictures.
That's her brother?
That's her husband.
I think this is husband. Okay, that was the brother.
And her family came from Iraqi Baghdad.
Baghdad.
Iraqi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where is the brother now? Is he alive or he is no more?
2006 her brother died.
Died. Before, after the lady.
No. Yeah.
Okay. So nice.
Now my father is carrying the legacy.
Sarah's hand embroidery.
And
That's so
my
good.
mother.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Hello. Namaste. So nice कि आपने इतना your son showed us and the history and everything, and you're keeping the legacy on. So thank you. So good to meet you. Thank you so much for showing us around. Yeah. तो मिल जाता है ना?
हाँ, सबको अपनी स्टोरी बताएंगे.
This is the shop. Sarah Cohen's home. Unknowingly, we got to know a lot of history here about a lady called Sarah Jacob Cohen. So yes, what a lovely experience. अच्छा लगा. चलो आगे चलते हैं. Poonan Purishu Pilgrim Center. Wow. कितना मस्त है ना. नाइस. Yet another beach. वहाँ से है ना, चल.
खड़े रहने के लिए.
पर बीच पे जाना नहीं है ना अभी अंदर. हाँ. यहाँ पे बहुत ओल्ड ट्रीज है. रूट्स देखिए इसके में भी. Wow. The streets of Kochi.
Fort Kochi.
Fort Kochi. Avinash, how was your day?
Very nice.
After the ride we were like really tired. उसके बाद साइट सीइंग करने में मजा आया.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
है ना. फोर्ट कोची थोड़ा बहुत पौंडीचेरी जैसा ही है.
मुझे नहीं लगा पौंडीचेरी जैसा.
ऐसे ही तो है.
पौंडीचेरी का आर्किटेक्चर अलग है. आर्किटेक्चर से ही देख के पता चल जाता है पौंडीचेरी है. यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ आर्किटेक्चर कुछ नहीं था. यहाँ पे नॉर्मल सब कुछ है, लेकिन हाँ वही फॉरेनर्स भी बहुत है. और ये क्या गिर रहा है सब झाड़ते से.
ओ वाह, कितना मस्त झाड़ है ये. ठीक है. हाँ सॉरी.
कोई फ्रूट गिरा है ऊपर से.
तो क्या है.
हाँ तो है, बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स है, बहुत सारे कल्चर के लोग हैं. जैसे
तो पहली बार देखा.
जूइश कम्युनिटी, पोर्चुगीज कम्युनिटी, डच.
वास्को डी गामा का लिंक्स पता चला है. फ्रॉम कोझिकोडे टू हियर. सी दिस चर्च. यही. ओह वी वर टॉकिंग एंड ये लो चर्च यहीं आ गए. हाँ. सो यस. टुमारो now we are off from Kochi and moving towards where to?
South.
I know south, but where in south?
I will not say surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise. Avinash wants to give a surprise, and we will end this video here. That's it for today. I hope you are liking our videos. हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आप भी देखते रहिए. और आज के लिए यही समाप्त होता है ये वीडियो. अविनाश और कुछ बोलना है?
Bye bye.
Good night. Take care. Please subscribe and keep watching. Highway Calling. Bye bye.